Hello, I'm going to show how you get access to the classroom, and I'm going to do it in this computer that's setting up for the first time. So I will just do an easy search for classroom, and you can see that the first hits, you already go there, and you go to the classroom, and then it's going to ask you to sign in. So the easy thing is that you just go in with your kit thing, and then you're going to go to the page of the Western Quebec, and that's a bit annoying because you need to type again the address. Of course, if you already had the session of Office already set up, you will not get all this information, but I found that was the easiest way to do it. And then I said, got the password saved. It's asking me if I want to save it. I say yes, because I don't want my kid to worry about it. And I don't want to keep asking this question all the time. And so, voila! Here, it's already showing up at Mr. Woodley's Relation Station. If you actually don't see that, it's going to ask you for the code, and then you need to go to look for the message from Mrs. Butler, and then just copy and paste the code, and then you will be there. And you can see. Super easy. Thank you.